What's going on, guys? I want to tell you to stop listening to YouTube traders. Oh, you silly YouTube traders. A little bit of a comment yesterday on my video saying that I was looking to sell Tesla today. And, this person came on, an absolute herb, right? An absolute just clown talking about, oh, well, don't listen to silly YouTube traders. It's not in the charts. It's in, it has everything to do with the market makers and in this and that. Oh my God, we're so scared about market makers. Guys, settle down for a second here. Levels are levels. Technical analysis works. If you don't believe on it, don't come to my channel. If you don't want to listen to what I have to say, don't click on my video. You are the one searching for Tesla, obviously, because you popped onto my video. So listen, Herb, you can still make money trading Tesla. And to put my money where my mouth is, I traded Tesla short today. The P&L is on the screen, also swinging a little bit of a firm. Mentioned that in the live stream today that I want to start that a firm short there. I believe that we had about $1 to $1.25 down. So I want to show you guys that maybe did watch the video yesterday, or maybe you didn't watch the video yesterday. So what I was talking about on Tesla is we coming off of a little bit of a 2-day dead cat bounce, right? So on this 2-day dead cat bounce, there was two levels, very, very clear, very, very precise. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to do this. It doesn't matter if I'm on YouTube or, I'm at the bus stop. Okay, the levels is there. $222 to the upside. That's yesterday's channel high. $213 to the downside. Tesla's currently trading right now in the after hours around 213, but we hit lows and closed at 212.42. So again, you can make money trading Tesla day in and day out. This thing has an average true range of around 10 plus points. So if you're telling me you can't get in there and scrape off $1.50, $2 on the trade, I don't know what to tell you, right? It doesn't matter if I'm on YouTube going over technical analysis, or I'm in the 105th floor on the biggest building on Wall Street, giving an analysis meeting to the rest of the firm. It doesn't really matter, Herb. So listen up on this. The level was there. What we're looking at is 213.78 to the downside. 214, give or take a few pennies. It doesn't really matter. Yesterday's lows, that's what we're looking to get in on now. You can see we confirmed yesterday's lows, and now we're punching down. Inverse hammer candle. Again, inverse hammer candle. Does it take a rocket scientist to see that we pushed up higher here and sellers really came in, stepped in and took us down below yesterday's channel? Now I want to show you guys where I took my short position. So as we started to push up, a little bit of a choppiness action, I was on the live stream, I was trading a lot of futures, I was looking at futures this morning. So obviously I'm always going back and forth between Tesla and Nvidia. Those are my two babies right there. So again, anyone who wants to mess with Tesla or Nvidia, I'm going to come for you. But if we talk about, what we were doing, pushing up into yesterday's channel here. So what did I say from the video yesterday? What did I say from my analysis? What's my thought process? I need to get my butt over 222 before I want to go long on Tesla. I'm not looking to just go long on Tesla just for the sake of going long on Tesla because, it's trading higher a little bit. I need a previous day's channel to break. I need room in the trade. Now, again, even over yesterday's highs, there's not that much room in the trade. We were talking about 224. It's on the video from yesterday, 224 to the upside. Where do you want to take profits at? 224 and then 228, and over 228, we'll make another video and we'll have a discussion. So listen, to the downside, yesterday's lows. Let's wait for this to confirm, right? So if we're looking for yesterday's lows to get confirmed, you can see here, I put this, little gray white line there. And if we kind of just, toggle down a little bit, if you look at the breakdown through yesterday's lows, you get it all the way here, almost, after lunchtime, but it goes from a price of around 214, 213, high 213s, all the way down to a quick 212.80, and then kind of trickles down all the way to 212.10s, right? The low 212s. But I want to show you where I took my entry at on Tesla. Again, for those of you guys who kind of follow me, you guys know the 20 SMA play. I wanted to show you guys, I really personally have not been trading options the first 30 minutes of the market open, even, like the first 40 minutes, because the ranges is up, it's down, it's down, it's up, it's down. It's a big range. It's choppy. The market doesn't really know what it wants to do. We continue to push down this, that, and the other. So I really am looking to take my plays, okay, my plays. I'm not telling you to do anything, right? I'm not telling you to do anything. That was another thing, a comment saying, giving financial advice. I don't give financial advice to anyone. You do what the hell you want to do. You want to choose to watch me, choose to watch me. You don't like me, don't watch my videos. It's plain and simple. It's not that freaking hard. But again, what you do with your money and how you trade is how you trade. All I'm doing is teaching what the hell I do. Now, whether that works for you or not, maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. You know, I'm not everyone's cup of tea. So again, all I'm looking to do is let the first 30 minutes close. I need to see price action. I need to see what's going on here. After the first 30 minutes, I will be looking to take those trades, right? So if we start to notice here, over the first 30 minutes, right, you get this 715 candle set up to the upside. Now, you did have a little bit of a long scalp. What is the thought process if we are going to take this trade to the long side off this 20 SMA? What we're looking for here is an entry over 217. It shoots up to 220. You would have made money on that trade. Again, what are we looking to do? Take $1, $1.50, $2 and just get the heck out of the trade. You have to understand that we're still below yesterday's lows. Yesterday's highs. So as long as we're below yesterday's highs, there is no real expansion move. You're not going to get Tesla to kind of, you know, go 10, 15 points up to the upside if it can't even take out yesterday's highs. It's simple. It's simple trading, you know, information. So again, you know, you get this trade. I would be personally looking to take profits at the high of day once we break it. So even that price is sitting at around 219. So your entry price should have been over 217.30s. You should have been taking profits at 219. I'm not even going to call it 220 and a half. I'm going to say I'm taking profits here on a little bit of a scalp. I'm going to get my dollar and I'm just going to get the hell out. Then what am I going to do? If we can't take out yesterday's channel, what I'm then going to do is now start looking for that downside move. I'm looking for the exhaustion and I'm looking for my setup. Again, I allow the trades to come to me, guys. At Evolution Traders, you guys know this. I sit there and I preach all day long. Sometimes I get off on these rants and I start preaching. Again, on the live stream, I'm waiting for my spots. I'm not just buying because I think we're going higher. I'm not just shorting because it looks like we could possibly go lower. I need a setup to happen, and I'm only going to get out of that setup when I'm happy with the profits and I'll stop trading on the day, or technical damage is done and it forces me to get out of my trade. So this setup is the setup that I took after 8:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We closed below the 20-period moving average. Just looking at this 5-minute chart, where do you guys think I'm looking to take profits at? Right? Where do you think I'm looking to take profits? If I'm looking to get in around 217.80s, I'm looking to take profits into the next area of demand, which is $1 down here. I'm going to clean up half my position size and then I'm going to let the rest run. Why am I letting the rest run? Because I want to see us get down through this opening hour lows here again. So this first hour candle, we're looking at the previous day candle here, looking at this daily chart on the left hand side. Now I want to take profits on the way down to 212. So as I enter this play here, I'm going to clean up, right? Meaning sell. I'm going to sell for some gains as I come into the next area of demand. And then all I'm going to do with my runners is just literally sit, right? We come down and we break all the way down to 200, come down to 215. We have a little bit of a back test and then we come down into previous day lows. And when we break the previous day lows, I want to sell for gain. So I'm going to be selling on that breakdown. Why? Because that's the level I'm looking for. If I'm looking for the 213 and 70s, 214 to break down, and I'm already in the short position from around 217 and a half, and I'm looking for that 214 breakdown, that's $3, guys, plus some. So again, take profits here at demand. And what's your next demand? The previous day's low channel. Again, YouTube traders don't know anything. Oh my God, shut up, Herb. Shut up.